besties? It's your girl, it's Nicole, and I ain't back with another back with another baker. So y'all can tell by the title and what we're going to be doing today, y'all. I'm going to be doing a spend the day with me vlog. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on if you don't want to miss any uploaded video. Without further ado, let's get straight into that bomba clock. Alright, y'all, we is not about to mind how hit I look right now. I know I look roach, but it's okay because we're going to look roach right now, but later on we're not going to look roach. But we're going to talk about what we got on the agenda for today. Yes, we are. We're going to talk about what we got on the agenda today, and yeah, literally that's it. So, first thing we got to do today is, I'm going to a couple places. I got my orientation today. It's at 12 p.m. And I'm going to also clean up my car. Gotta, clean it. And then I'm going to also pick up my man. And there's really to it. And, we're just going to rock the day out together. Together. I was kidding. But, yeah, we are going to rock the day out, y'all. Right now, I'm literally I got my hair in braids right now. I'm about to take the braids out because I'm about to do a ponytail. I'm about to straighten my hair out because it's easier to do my hair straightened. I'm going to take those out and I'm gonna do my hair, but right now I'm going to fold the towels, and I'm gonna do that after I'm done folding the towels. And yeah, I don't think I'm gonna record folding the towels because I don't think y'all wanna watch me fold some towels. Do y'all? I might record a little bit, just a little bit, not too much, not too crazy, but yeah, let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so it's like a couple hours later. I just got done taking out my braids and blowing out my hair. I gotta go run to the hair store real quick. It's 10:03. I got, not the hair store, but I need to go to Walmart to go get some hair gel, y'all, because I barely have any. And I need to do my hair. I can't do my hair without nothing. And my orientation is at 12. And I need to go to the store. And it's 10. I got 2 hours left. I got 2 hours left, y'all. I'm just out here looking roach. Alright, it's not right now. I need to drive quickly, be back, and start getting dressed, y'all. I already know what I'm wearing, so that's a good thing. Y'all. Come on, bro. Every road you take, the highways. Y'all, I've been watching Fast and Furious, y'all. I've been watching I watched all 7, well, on Netflix, because I think Netflix only got this. No, I didn't watch the Fast and Furious Hobbs and Shaw, but I haven't really watched the minority either, because I have for real, but it's just iffy when it comes to that, y'all. I've been watching it and it's so good. Alright, y'all, so I'm headed to Walmart. I'm going inside right now. It's cold as hell. I'm only getting hair gel out. So I'm not even gonna waste no time, y'all. I look crazy. Hold on. Alright, y'all. We in the store. I want to talk to them, but we in the store. And I gotta look for hair care. Y'all, somebody's in that aisle. Oh my God. Y'all, somebody's in that aisle. No, I don't bother her, but I gotta, oh no, she's not. She left. Oh, this is cute. Yo, I just found some really cute lashes. Like, alright, we found what we're looking for. I had to come to get. I'm gonna get this one, the big one. Alright, y'all, we got what we needed. We checking out. Literally, it's 10:13. We got time. And we're out. Y'all, I need a cut, y'all. Y'all could see through my hair. But I need a cut. I need to go home and do my hair. I go, oh, wait, hold on. I don't even know where I'm at. Where did I park, y'all? I lost it. I don't know where I parked. No, it's not. Oh, yes, I do. It's over there. I lost where I parked. Alright, y'all, so I'm at home now. Let's start getting dressed. I'm about to start and we can get into it.
He gon' stay with the Charleston. I got raw, that shit made me a monster. He bitch, you notice my sister, my mamas. Now they houses as big as they want them. I didn't run up no motherfucking commas. Get a little dominant. Living like we in a race, I might come in first and second, but I won't ever be last. Lately I been in my bag, but told me don't take my foot off the gas. They give you an inch, gonna take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a 10 for 5. City to city, got girls going wild, and I reach for my chain when I jump in the crowd. Lambo solo, got a squad. We finally made it, let's pop us a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't leave them in the bleeding room. Sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you a rat, so you know what's gonna happen whenever we catch you. I run with them straight. Keep all the moves I've been making. By the time I get 40, I gotta be one of them greats. Watch how I move with this paper. I know if I strip up one time, they gon' try to come take. Really shit getting, these niggas be faking. I don't want they vibes, so they hand ain't shaking. She on that 42 straight with no chase. I'm trying to get out of here and go taste it. Yeah, my diamonds be DVDs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, did you hear me? I just pray that my kids be a big of me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be DVDs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, did you hear me? I just pray that my kids be a big of me. They can't get rid of me. Wake up every day, somebody harassing me. I got rich, they need money, they asking me. I was sitting in jail, they look out for me. Ones who need me, no same ones who doubted me. I been handling my own, they can vouch for me. They'll way down with me, know that she proud of me. Turn the heat up, ain't nobody hot as me. Everywhere dollars be, that's how I gotta be. I didn't give her the word, now she not leaving. Said she love me to death, told her stop breathing. He try to do what I do, but we not even. I want all of the beef, I am not vegan. Boy, you said it was smooth, nigga, stop speaking. Vincent, don't drop the top, I can't stop speeding. Trying to see if this bitch hit the top speed. Hit the bitch from the back, have a knockout.
Sometimes I look around for someone might understand it. Seen it in their eyes, said they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience, now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us, ain't the way they paint
Alright, y'all, so I'm doing my hair. I'm about to do my makeup off camera because I'm running out of time right now, y'all. It is 11:13. I need to pick up the pace, and I'm gonna get back to y'all once I'm completely done, y'all. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. Alright, y'all, so I am done getting dressed. Oh, y'all, it's late. I was supposed to be gone at 11:45, y'all. It's 11:49. I'm late. I'm looking for my shoes. I can't fucking find them. We're gonna put on some Uggs, y'all. Some Ugg Tasmans, the black ones. Cause why not? It goes more with the weather. As y'all can see. Alright. I think I'm good. I don't really need anything. I just need my wallet because that has all my information in there. I should be good. I'm gonna catch y'all when I get in the car. What it do, y'all? So I am out. I just got done, y'all. I'm hired, Claudius. Your girl got a job, period. She's doing 2 jobs, so don't think Esther Nicole is not at STNA because she sure is. She just got another job because she wants more money. Plus, she's trying to save up to get a new car. Because y'all don't know, my car stay in the fucking shop. So I need a whole new one. I'm tired of spending all this money when I could just get a whole new car. Like, y'all, like every second, every minute, every hour, this motherfucking car is in the shop. I can't do it no more. So your girl got 2 jobs. I'm working at Wawa. Yeah. Your girl is working at a nursing home that y'all don't need to know about. Claudius, period. So I got 2 jobs because I want to be a working woman. But yeah, I got Wawa and I'm gonna start Friday. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so ready. And I'm trying to get my own little spot with my mans. So, you know, we gotta put in that work real quick. We gotta do what we gotta do. Yeah, I was cold. And then people place. I'm like people literally looking at me shivering. I'm like, she's like, you want some hot chocolate? I'm like, no. I'm good being shy. She forced me. I like this place. Give it up for Wawa, but she forced me. She was like, girl, you don't go get some hot chocolate over there shivering and some more. And I'm like, okay, thank you. Y'all, but I'm finna go get some gas right now. I'm already at the gas station. So, ooh, I know her. No, I don't. But I'm already at a gas station right now, y'all. I'm about to get some gas, and then I'm going to head to get something to eat, y'all, because I am really hungry. Very hungry. I think I want some turnip. I want some crab raccoon, so I think that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to give me some crab raccoon, and then it's raining, so I'm not cleaning no car today, because y'all know when your car to clean car, you got to vacuum, and it's raining, and my natural hair is out, so we're gonna wait until the rain calms down, and then once the rain calms down, then we'll go back out and we'll do what we gotta do. But I also told my brother that I'll pick him up from school because he don't really like riding the bus. So I was like, you know what, today, if you want something, if you want to get picked up, we can get picked up. Yeah, really that's it. So we're gonna get some gas right now. I'm gonna tell y'all when I go get some gas. But the gas thing, y'all can't really see, but the gas thing is literally right behind me. So I'm gonna just back up, go get some gas, and then we're gonna be on the way to get some food because I'm hungry. Hungry. Anyways, y'all, when I get to the pump. I can't do it, y'all. I tried to stand out there like a jazz, cold as hell. I'm here. Yo, my note. My nose is running, Jack. Jack, my nose is running. And that motherfucker hot chocolate burning my tongue. Let me stop cussing. Y'all, I done said this about how many times in a vlog, y'all. I don't even know how many times I done said I need to stop cussing, and I stay cussing. Ooh, they got Popeyes right? No. Ooh, they got me. Nope. I want some. I want Chinese food, y'all. I ain't gonna get too much. Oop, that sound like the pump. I'll be back, y'all. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. Fucking done. Let's go to Chinese. Hopefully ain't nobody in there. What's today? It's Wednesday, yes. So nobody should be in there. We should be good. Yeah, nobody should be in there. Alright, y'all. I'ma see y'all when we get to the next location. Anywho, y'all, so we made it to the buffet, y'all. I'm getting an umbrella for my health. Let's open this car door. I do gotta hurry up because I do gotta go pick up my brother. I don't know if he got work or not, but I do gotta go pick up the Twinskies. I made this video because I haven't made a video in so long, and I'm like in the process of making another one of a virtual diaries, and I gotta edit that, and then once I edit that, I should be good. Oh shit, where the fuck is the it's in my pocket. But I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna record one more thing for the virtual diaries, and then I'm gonna be done, because it's like I don't really want to make it too long. But I already edited most of it. I just gotta edit the haul of the PR clothes that I got, and literally that's it. I got one of them on right now, but I'm gonna make that haul today, and I'm gonna record the videos and try to go. There's somebody. Oh no, this is happy. But yeah, we're gonna walk in here, and I'm gonna see y'all with some food. Oh, sorry.
Hi, do you have any? Oh, yeah. You want to do carry out?
Alright, y'all. We are done. We're gonna go pick up John. And then I'm gonna take, I don't know if he got work. I don't know. But we're gonna pick him up, and then we're gonna pick up Judah from school. He don't want to ride the bus, so I'm gonna go get him. Alright, I'm gonna hit back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back home. I'm about to eat my food, y'all. Y'all, this looks like a lot. I'm not even gonna finish. I call my brother here so he can get some, because I know I'm not gonna finish all this. But I have to eat my food, and then I'm about to chill for a little bit. And then hopefully the rain go down so I can go clean that car before I gotta go pick up my mom. I was supposed to pick up my man today, but that ain't gonna work because he's gonna go do grown people things. So yeah, literally, I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so it is 5:10, y'all. I'm getting ready to go clean my car. I'm bringing a shock because I do not want my hair to get wet. Oh, we do. So we're gonna bring one of those, because if y'all know, as soon as y'all like shower cap for the wind because my hair is not getting wet. I'm gonna come back and clean my face, y'all. I'm tired of wearing this makeup shit, but we about to go right now. I need to put on a coat because I know it's cold. I'm about to show y'all what I got because it's like it's really some calm shit. Nothing too crazy. So yeah, I will see y'all once I get to the place, to the car wash. I'm not really like, I'm just getting the vacuum. I'm vacuuming. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the place. All right, y'all. So we is at the place. I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can, I guess, wash. But we at the place right now, y'all. I don't know how to fucking work this, y'all. This is fucking insane. Like, it's like, y'all, I don't know. But we gonna figure it out. And it's raining, y'all. I'm about to be quick with this. Oh. I gotta pay. Right here. Oh shit, they only take Apple Pay, bruh. The fuck? So I don't know if y'all heard me in the last clip, but this I'm finna find another car wash to go to because this one is garbage. They got Whitewater Express Wash. There's 1.2 miles. We're gonna go there. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go there and see if they got
I don't know why I didn't put on salt.
and see if they got vacuums that are regular schmegler, not like this BS. Alright, let's go there. Let's see. Oh, that's only 6 minutes. Only 6 minutes. We're gonna go there. And yeah. Be back, y'all. Oh, yeah, that's a fail. I'm going back on because the place we just went to, I don't know how to get in. I think they're closed, even though they say they open, but I think they closed. Because, like, they got the entrance blocked off with some cones. And, like, I can't get into the other way. So, I don't know. I'm going to go with my mom because literally she'll figure that shit out. I'll go with her. I can help her while she's there because moms know best. And she might know how to work that. I don't. She's been here too many times. So, I don't know if she knows how to work. So we're just gonna wait until she comes and then we're gonna do it then. Other than that, I'm gonna go back home and I'm going to clean my room. Cause why not? I gotta go put my clothes in the washer. We're gonna clean my room. We are gonna go to Speedway because I want to drink, but I don't want nothing to. I want a slushie. I want a slushie. I want a red one. So we're gonna go to Red Slushie and then we're gonna go home. Y'all, see y'all when I get to Speedway. You bitch! We're gonna bleep that out. Bye, y'all. Alright, hey, I don't know if y'all can hear me because I don't know if the phone is connected to the car, but if y'all can, I am on the way to go get my mom from work. And it's pouring, y'all. I should not be picking up the camera to record, but I just want to update y'all that I am doing something else. When I get home, we're going to clean our rooms together, y'all, and then that will be the end of this video. after I clean my room and, you know, do my little sun, we're going to end this vlog off strong, and then we go edit it. Or it's either going to be posted tomorrow or the next tomorrow. Because I do got to record this haul for my virtual diaries. And then that should be the end of that video too. Anyways, bye y'all. I will see y'all when I pick up my mover. Alright y'all, we made it back home. I'm about to fix dumplings. The bibimbap, whatever you want to call it, dumplings. I'm about to make that. Then we go chill them out. Ooh, this is hot. We got dumplings, pogo. Alright, y'all. So, I'm back in my room. Hold on, let me set you up. We got these, y'all. We're gonna eat, and then we're gonna clean this room, and that's gonna be the end of this video. I'll talk to y'all soon. So I'm editing this video. I just want to come on here and tell y'all that I did forget to close out the video, but this is me recording saying that I'm closing out the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell on if you don't want to miss any more uploaded videos. And without further ado, I will see y'all in the next banger.
But right now